Welcome to another episode of Declutter and Organize to Simplify. Today's agenda is to lightly declutter and organize our home office. This is where I spend a lot of my day working on my YouTube channel and such. Since I spend a lot of time in here, it's important to keep it functional and clutter-free. I'm starting with my computer desk, just taking a quick pass through the drawers and surfaces, lightly decluttering and organizing as I go. What's in here? Oh, look. My son drew this. Oh, chapstick. Hi, pups. That can stay. Oh, that's trash. I need to return this. My voice recorder finally died like a month ago maybe, so I got a new one, but this one sucks. The audio quality is terrible, so I need to return it. Put that there for now. These are just collector coins that we need to sell. Next, I'm going through all of the nooks and crannies of my secretary desk where I store the bulk of my supplies, from pencils, highlighters, and files, to my calligraphy set, sketch pencils, and paint. The left side of my desk has more office-related supplies, and the right side has more art-related supplies. Next, I'm going through my bookshelves. I keep nonfiction books on this shelf to the left of the window and fiction books on my other shelf to the right of the window. My books are categorized by genre and subcategorized alphabetically by author last name. I also have more office supplies like paper products and cords and cables organized on my fiction bookshelf, just because there's more space on that one. I went through a very long phase where I only wanted to read nonfiction, but within the last year or two, I've been getting back into reading fiction again, especially classic literature and childhood favorites. This closet is our emergency food storage closet. And also where we keep batteries for the lawnmower and such. But yeah, this shelf recently broke. See? And one day I'll fix it. It's not gonna be in this video. So I had to take this stuff down. But yeah, this closet is alright. I might tidy it up a little bit. But I know I don't need to really get rid of anything in here because I keep up with it. Okay, until I can fix the shelf, I mean, there's not much I can do in here, so that's done. Bear really needs a new mattress. He tore it up. This is like his third mattress we're on right now. Since we got him. I'm gonna sort through this mail really quick and then I will be done. Besides trash, here's everything I'm removing from the office. This can go in the kitchen for now. My daughter's birthday is coming up next month, so I might use it for that. These skewers, I got these out for an art project for my youngest daughter, and I need to put them back in the garage with the other grilling stuff. And then this, I don't really use this in the office, so I think I'll move it out in the hallway. And that's it. My home office is all reset and I'm ready to tackle the laundry room next.